This presentation is an environmental scan of mHealth knowledge tools for parents addressing acute childhood illnesses. Improving the health literacy of Canadians is an important challenge. It can help reduce unneeded emergency department visits and decrease overcrowding in hospitals. Conventional means of communicating health information are often jargon-laden and complex, and another potential solution is to use apps. Apps are available to improve parent health decisions, but as one paper contended, apps don't help the parents of sick kids. An environmental scan is a brief review of tools or products in a specific area. It provides stakeholders with actionable information, and it's useful for assessing apps in the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Our goal was to find all apps containing acute childhood illness content that were intended for use by parents. We examined differences in how Apple's App Store and Google's Android Marketplace searched for apps. For example, Google searches app descriptions and Apple searches app keyword tags. We developed our search terms in consultation with a J.W. Scott research librarian, and then built scraping software to return results from these searches from both stores in both Canada and the US. 2,335 apps were returned from our searches, 1,700 from the Google Store, and 635 from the Apple Store. After removing 1,685 duplicate apps, we were left with 650 unique apps, of which 70 were relevant. Of the 70 relevant apps, 38 were informational resources, 25 were decision support tools, and 7 were telemedicine related. There was a large difference in the type of app returned from searching each store. The Apple App Store had over 50% decision support tools, shown on the left in orange, and the Google Play Store had over 50% informational resources, shown on the right in blue. Combining the results gave us 36% decision tools, 54% informational resources, and 10% telemedicine apps. Our next steps are to evaluate the app using MARS. MARS is an acronym that stands for the Mobile App Rating Scale. The reference is on the right, and it's a validated instrument for assessing apps on dimensions of engagement, functionality, aesthetics, information quality, and subjective quality. We will use these evaluations to identify key gaps in mHealth coverage of acute childhood illnesses, and then build an app for parents to address these gaps. Thank you.